Alright guys, Josh and Addison back here with another Construct 2 tutorial, and this time we will be making a platform game.
Tell them what to click.
Okay, so from this is the welcome screen from Construct 2, and then what you're going to hit is Control N, or you could just, and from what I'm doing, new empty project, and that is what we have so far, the layout screen.
The start page.
We can just get rid of the start page.
And that's your event
this
sheet.
is the event sheet.
You don't need to do any of that yet.
Right here, you have, which basically all we're going to be using is this little box, really, just for the tutorial of it. So first what you're going to want to do is, insert new object, and then it'll be a sprite.
You can double click to insert
and then,
new object.
Just click here.
And
then for me, since these are just going to be making the walls right now,
okay.
We'll
do black.
Be making just a solid black box that we can change anytime. And then what you want to do is left click on that, go to behaviors, and make that a solid, and exit out of that, and then just form that to how you want the bottom to be set up. And then
just drag it all the way across.
And then we'll drag that all the way across.
Pull it down so that they... Yeah.
And then there is the floor.
Actually down, because remember, you can see it.
Oh, yeah.
If it's not past the dotted line, you'll be able to see the actual white in the game.
Okay. And then we can just copy that. And then...
You should have copied it when it was shorter.
No, oh well. Oh boy. Okay, we can work with this. And then we will have that right there.
Okay.
So what we're doing right now is just making a bunch of pegs to jump on, basically. That's all it's going to be.
Copy and paste that one now, because it's shorter.
Yeah. And just copy this one that's shorter. And paste. And then just keep adding them until you feel you should reach a sufficient... Oh boy.
That's from double clicking.
Don't double click on them.
Unless you want to add a sprite.
And then just keep pasting these until you feel you have a sufficient amount of them, which, we don't need to touch the floor. There we go. That'll work.
What? Okay.
Just have it floating there. Doesn't need to touch anything.
Oh yeah, because you can enable double jump.
Yeah, exactly.
Now create your character.
Alright, now we'll just create a character. What?
Okay, cancel. You can double click. No, not on an object. Just click on the main screen right here, and you can double click, and then just click sprite insert.
And then again, just click anywhere on the screen. And then what should our character be?
I don't know. Just drop. No, you want the paintbrush tool. Show them. Kind of click on it a few times.
You want the paintbrush, this one, and then whatever size you want, and then how smoothness, instead of having it all choppy or something else. And then just erase that now. Yep. Alright, Alright, now that that's gone, we want the paintbrush, and then for our character, we'll just make a stick dude with a giant head, and he'll be jumping. Yeah. And then we gotta give him a face, otherwise it's just sad. Yeah. Face.
Yeah.
Alright, character. And then make him small.
No, show him the collision first.
Oh, okay. Collision. Yeah. And then gotta set the collision box.
Collision is there. This
one.
I don't think we have show cursor on, which will kind of suck, but set collision right there, as you can see.
The one that is highlighted.
And then you you can just use that. Yeah, pull it like a box. You kind of try and put it as close to the character as you can. I guess you could add a collision. Put that one on the top of his head and put those two by his arms. All the way down to the other arm.
Yeah, that'll work.
And then pull the head one over.
Oh, alright, right there we go.
Exit.
And then, now we have that.
Make him small.
Make him small enough.
However big you want.
or so he can actually jump on top of them.
Oh my gosh, you want him that small?
Well, we got to make the level sufficient.
Okay. And make
And
sure
then-
click on him. Show him double jump.
And then for the behaviors, hit the plus. You're gonna scroll down
All the way.
all the way to the bottom until you see platformer or platform. Add, and then hit the X, and then here is the
You didn't-
platform
you-
panel.
Add double jump.
And then for the double jump, you're gonna want to enable that because
You
obviously
don't-
these are way too tall for him to actually
You don't
jump on.
need double jump, but the other thing that I don't think Josh did is you need to click on these and add the behavior of solid.
Solid.
Click on it. Solid. Okay. Never
Yeah,
mind.
see, added
Now
solid.
click play.
And then we'll click play, and see what we have so far. Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can
Well, obviously he can jump a little. He can.
jump a little too high, but
Yeah.
hey,
You know what?
it's a fun game.
Let's see how we can get. Okay, so we can almost jump to the third one, but we can fix that. Just exit out of that.
Just pull.
Click on him, and for the jump strength, we'll change that to I don't know, like.
450.
All right, let's try that. See how that works.
That doesn't work. Let's do it to
And then
420.
we'll test it out. See how well.
425.
Which yeah, this will work. I mean.
It's still harder,
Yeah.
but you can just tune the settings how you want it, and eventually, obviously, that's a bug
Oof.
because of the
The
collision.
point.
And when you set up stuff, this Construct 2 can be a really great learning tool. So basically, if you're not interested in creating a video game, don't try because it takes some time.
Oh, okay.
But this will be like how to create a game in a few minutes.
And then we'll just make this one smaller because that one's big. All right, and then we will just copy this, or yeah, we'll just paste that again, and then we can edit it so it's like the win flag.
Show them how to save.
All right, I can do that, and then we'll just do that later. And then to save it, you'll go File, Save
Or save as.
Save as project. It doesn't really matter.
I'd pick save as so that you can change the
Alright,
name.
Save
I
as
think.
project. You can add it to
Do
whatever
this
place
PC.
you want, and then
Yeah.
we're saving to this PC, which
You can add any folder, and then yeah, that's it. And then click OK just so that they can see.
All right. And then
it's saved
now
in
the
that
project
area.
is saved.
Which, I mean, it's pretty easy. That was like one of the simplest parts. Or if you go to, where is it? Save. And then these are all the games that they've already included for you. And you can just take one of these and mess around with it. Like, for example, let's go with bouncing balls. Yes. Okay. Right now it's not letting me access it. I didn't really pay attention to why, because I could care less. Construct 2 does not have to appear to permission to save. Please try saving. Okay. So basically something with that's messed up. Alright, so that will be the end of this video. If you close it off, John.
All right. Well, so that is just the basic platformer, and then just make a little finish line. If you saw our last tutorial, just hit a little box.
Here's the new, like, extra, I don't know what you call it.
A little game
An extra peg. You call it a peg.
Yeah. All right, and that is the game that we have created.
Alright, so that would be how to create a easy platformer. And that'll be it for this video. Alright, bye.